Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. I Hifsa Shaima. Today I'm going to explain about dissolution of the firm. So dissolution of the firm के बारे में तो already मैंने discuss किया है, जहाँ पे dissolution of the firm is nothing but where you're going to close your firm. So here when you're going to close down the firm, so you're going to sell all your assets and liabilities will be paid. So that is nothing but dissolution of the firm. But if you're dissolving your partnership, dissolution of the partnership is nothing but where partnership will not, it will just come to an end, where firm is not going to come to an end, it's just the partner will come to an end, and where you're going to form a new agreement. That is nothing but dissolution of the partnership. Whereas dissolution of the firm, it's nothing but where the firm is coming to an end, and where you at that time where you're going to pay all your assets, where you're going to sell all your assets and liabilities will be paid. That is nothing but the dissolution of the firm. So here you're going to prepare three accounts: realization account, partner capital account, and bank account. So when you prepare realization account, as I have discussed in the previous question, you're going to take cash. You're not going to record the cash at bank. So cash will be taken in the cash account. So you're going to take stock. You're going to take debtors. Don't take provision, because provision is a liability. Provision for doubtful debt, it will be in same position where it is before. Like provision, you're not going to change. You're not going to change the place of provision. It will be same place in the liability side. So stock, you're going to record it here. Debtors, it will be recorded here. Then building, 40,000, you're going to record here. Then plant and machinery, you're going to record in the debit side. Whereas in the credit side, you're going to take bills payable and loan from bank. That is also a liability. So you're going to record it here. So general reserve you're not going to take, because it will be taken in the partner's capital account, and capitals also it will be prepared in the PC account. So after interchanging debit side as assets as well as liabilities, here in from the balance sheet, the first thing you have to change, assets you're going to take it here, and liabilities you're going to record here. Only assets and liabilities. Other than that, general reserve, P&L, you're going to take in the PC account, partner's capital account. Next, you're going to take adjustments. So adjustments, as I said, you're going to take assets here and liabilities here. Whereas in the liabilities, when you're recording adjustments, so adjustments liability here, adjustments assets here. Okay. So the first adjustment, here it's given the partners dissolved the business. Assets release, stock 23,400, debtors 50% less, and fixed assets 10% less than the book value. So assets release, stock 23,400. Here it's not given any partner name, so it is not taken over by the partner. Suppose यहाँ पर देखकर अगर for example like A has taken over the stock 23,400, then it will goes to the A's capital account. लेकिन ऐसा कुछ तो नहीं है, तो that means you are selling your assets to the outsider, not in the internal for any person, for any partner. It's not taking over any assets or any liabilities. So here the stock, its no name is given, no partner has taken over, that means it will goes to the bank account. यहाँ पर आपको एक बार डिसाइड करना है एडजस्टमेंट्स में, जैसे कि यहाँ पर या तो बैंक में जाएगा अमाउंट या तो कैपिटल में. अगर पार्टनर ने कुछ लिया है एसेट्स, देन इट विल गोज टू द एज कैपिटल अकाउंट. यहाँ पे एज कैपिटल अकाउंट, बीस कैपिटल अकाउंट, इट विल बी गोइंग टू द पार्टनर्स. सो सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल अगर पार्टनर का नाम ना देखकर सिर्फ असेट्स रिलीज्ड लाइक स्टॉक 23,400, देन इट विल गोज टू द बैंक. Okay, so it will goes to the bank. So yeah, next debtors 50% you're going to take. So debtors amount is 42,000. So in 42, half is nothing but 11. So 21. So you're going to take in the debtors 21,000. Building, it's given 10% less. So building, फिक्स्ड असेट्स 10% लेस. अब बचा फिक्स्ड असेट्स कौन सा है? बिल्डिंग एंड मशीनरी. सो यू आर गोइंग टू टेक 40,000, 10% लेस, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट 4,000. 40,000 minus 4,000, that is nothing but 36,000. So 36,000 you're going to take plant and machinery and building. Okay. Coming to next, there was an outstanding bill. We have taken all the assets. Okay, one more is here, that is nothing but bills payable. It is a liability and it's were settled for 32,000. सो ये भी बैंक में जाएगा, जबकि पार्टनर का नाम कुछ ऐसा देकर नहीं है, तो बिल्स इट विल बी टेकन हियर. Okay, bills payable 32,000 you're going to take here. Bills expenses. Next, there was an outstanding electricity bill. It's an expenses. So expenses, it's a liability. So 800 you're going to take it here, and you're going to take in the bank, क्योंकि पार्टनर कुछ भी ऐसा पार्टनर ने नहीं लिया है लाइबिलिटीज़, और जैसे कि क्रेडिटर्स आर लाइबल टू पे बाय द पार्टनर ए और बी, nothing like that. So it will be going to the bank account 800. Then expenses, realization of expenses, that is also a liability. It will go to the bank account. Expenses is a liability. Next, one thing is left. When you have taken all the assets and liabilities from the adjustment, so here loan is remaining. Loan is also a liability. आपका लोन तो यहाँ पर 40,000, जैसे कि आपने यहाँ 30,000 यहाँ पर आपने जब एक्सचेंज किया आपने दिखाया है, जबकि यहाँ पर भी आपको एक बार बैंक अकाउंट, बिकॉज लोन फ्रॉम बैंक आपको पे करना है ना जी, बिकॉज योर डिस्क्लोज डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ द फर्म, दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द फर्म्स इट कम्स टू एन एंड, द एसेट्स विल बी सोल्ड एंड लाइबिलिटीज़ विल बी पेड. ये तो लाइबिलिटी है, तो 30,000 you need to pay, so that will be recorded here down. So later you have to see, after recording all the transaction, you have to check which side is more, debit side is more or credit side is more. So here credit side you're getting 2,05,000. Debit side, okay, here you have to add both the side, you have to add which side is more. You're getting debit side more, 2,05,050, and put the same amount in credit side, add this amount, then minus from this, then you will get the balance of 16,650. That should be shared among the ratios among 5:3:1. So 16,650 it will be shared in 5:9, 3:9 and 1:9, because denominators you have to add 5:3:1. So denominators it will be added when you're calculating the finding out the ratios. A's capital, B's capital, and the PQR partners. So here, how one more reason, suppose if you're going to find out the how you can find out the balance. Suppose always I used to discuss this 5:5 and 5:3. So here which side is more? Debit side is more. Put the same amount here and the balance is so much 2. Which side is more? Debit side is more. Put the same amount here and add this 8 minus with 10, then balance is 2. If you get credit side balance, then it is loss transferred. If you get debit side balance, then it is profit transferred. I hope it's clear. Next, you're going to prepare PCA account, partners capital account, and you have to take all the capitals items. Capitals PQR, copy and paste it in the credit side. General reserve, you are going to share 9,000 general reserve. So general reserve should be shared. So general reserve you are going to share in the ratios. That is nothing but 5:3:1. 9,000 it should be shared among the ratios here. Debit side you are going to share in the credit side. So now realization loss. Realization loss. Realization loss. So realization loss you are going to loss transfer to. So you are going to take loss in the debit side. So 9,2, because it's a capital, P capital, Q and R. So you are going to copy this and paste it here. If you get the profit in the debit side, you are going to take in the credit side. If you get the loss in the realization account, you are going to record in the debit side. 9250, 550 and 1850 you are going to copy in the debit side. Any capital Any capital is left. So what we have taken? First we have taken capitals. Next we have taken general reserve. If suppose P&L, if it is given credit side, you are going to take in debit side. If P&L is given in the debit side, you are going to record in the credit side. From the realization account, you have to see any capitals is there. Suppose if partner has taken over anything, if any in adjustment, if anything is given, you will be recording in the PC account. But now in the adjustments, no partner has taken over anything. The partner has not taken over anything. So you will not be recording anything from the realization account related to the partner. So here you are going to find which side is more, debit side or credit side. So here credit side, when you do the total, credit side is more. Put the same amount here and minus from 49,000 minus 9250. So you will get 39750. Like that same thing you have to minus for PQR. Next is nothing but after finding out the balance, whatever you get, you have to write bank. Please, you have to write as bank children. Many students they'll be doing a mistake. So when they maintain the PC account, the balance they'll write as balance like that. So you are preparing next you have to prepare a bank account. So you have to be very careful while finding out the balance in the dissolution of the firm. You have to mention as bank. Next you are going to prepare a bank account. In the bank account, the first thing you will be taking how we have taken in the PC account as capitals, like that from the old balance sheet you have to copy the bank 40,000 and paste it here, debit side. Next come to the if anything loan is given, loan, partner's loan, you're going to record in the credit side, but partner loan is not given, so you'll not be recording the loan. Next, from the realization account, copy this bank, and because it's a bank, copy bank because you are preparing a bank account, copy this and paste it here. Next, from the bank, here liability side, copy the bank amount, bank, and you're going to paste it here. Nothing is left. From the realization, all bank transactions you have recorded, bank amount. Next come to PCA account, copy this and paste it in the credit side. If you whatever you get the debit, you are going to record in the credit. Whatever you are getting in the credit side, you are going to record in the debit side, opposite side. So this amount, it will be recorded 39750, 33450 and 19150. You are going to record in the credit side, bank. Copy and paste it in the credit side. So you are preparing a bank. All bank transactions should be recorded in the bank. So next, see which side is okay. In the bank account, the both the side it has to be tally. If it get tally, then your answer is correct. So here you are getting 1,56,000. Nothing is left. We have taken all the amounts. So 1,56,400, and credit side also when you add, you have to get the same amount. And like I want to make one thing clear. Suppose for example, if any partner loan is given in the debit side in the balance sheet, you're going to take in the bank account. That means इसका मतलब ये है कि आपने firm को loan दिया है. The partner has given loan to the firm. It will be recorded in the bank account. If any loan is given in the credit side, here partner loan, you're going to record in the debit side of the PCA account. अगर पार्टनर ना होकर जैसे कि सी, सपोज सी और डी नॉट अ पार्टनर, that will be recorded in the realization account, or else like Mrs. P's loan or Mrs. Q loan. Mrs. तो partner नहीं है, Mr. is a partner in the firm, so that will be recorded in the realization account. I hope it's clear. If you like my video, please give a like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.